How to log out of YouTube. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to log out of YouTube, you want to open the YouTube app on your device. Now the process of logging out is same in Android and iOS. What you want to do is tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now as you can see, there's no direct button of sign out. So what you want to do is tap on the switch account option. Now all of your accounts will be shown over here. Tap on the option of manage accounts. It will now take you to this page. What you want to do is tap on the email address associated with YouTube. Now, if you want to log out of this account from YouTube, then go ahead and tap on the remove account option over here. Remember that removing the account will delete all of its messages, contacts, and other data from this device. If you want to continue, tap on the remove account option. When you do that, you will be signed out of your YouTube account from this email. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.